Ugh, okay, good. They're so bad. These are from 2004, I mean 2 years ago. But like, I just bought some new shoes and some new skirts. I need to get my makeup done. I'm gonna have to get a spa day. Ooh, diamond. Yes. But seriously, I do, oh my gosh, just look at this. Last time I changed was yesterday, and this is just not on feet no more. So I think I've just gone shopping. I'm gonna get to Royale High because all the good stuff is, and yeah, let's get there fast. Thank you, carriage. Okay. Now we just need to go to the spa because it's gonna take so long. So, ugh, the spa is like, why does it have to be so far away? No, I'm just gonna fly there. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. I need to get to the spa. Where is the spa? There's the spa. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my new clothes on and new hairstyle and new makeup. I'm so excited. Oh, why the ladies? Okay, so I'm going to get changed in here. Okay, let's get into this room, shower room number 6. Let's. Oh